Hello everyone, welcome to you in my video lectures. Today we are going to solve gate problems on velocity analysis. So this is a problem from gate 2014 set 1 and it has been asked that the length of PQ is a rigid link and length of PQ is given 2 meter per second and the link PQ is oriented 20 degree with the horizontal direction. The velocity at point Q is Vq, which is at 45 degree with the horizontal and magnitude of 1 meter per second. And velocity at point P is Vp, whereas Vp is along horizontal direction, but magnitude is unknown. So it has been asked to find out what is the magnitude of Vp. So you have to find out magnitude of Vp and 4 options are given. You have to choose the correct answer. So which fundamental we will apply? We can apply that as PQ is on a same rigid body, so distance between PQ remains unchanged. So what is the condition? Velocity component of Vp along PQ will be equal with component of Vq along PQ. So component of Vp along PQ will be equal with component of Vq along PQ, that is the concept number 5. So if say I am drawing here, this is 20 degree, this is Vp and Vq, say this is point Q, this is point P. And this is Vq and Vq is 1 meter per second. The total angle is 45 degree. So angle between PQ and VQ, this angle, that is angle makes by VQ along PQ will be, if this is 20 degree, then this angle will be 25 degree. 45 minus 20, that is 25. So VP, component of VP along PQ is VP cos of 20 degree. So that will be equal with VQ cos 25 degree, as VQ makes an angle 25 degree with PQ. So VP is VQ cos of 25 degree by cos of 20 degree. So 1 into cos of 25 degree cos of 20 degree, because value of VQ is given, that is 1 meter per second. The magnitude of VQ is 1 meter per second and that becomes 0. So cos 25 by cos 20 0.96 meter per second. So the option D is correct. So option D is correct. So we have solved this problem. So let us solve another problem. That is also from GATE 2014, but set 3. This is from set 3. So let me describe the problem first. So the statement of the problem is as follows. This is a slider crank mechanism O2AB. Crank length O2A is given 60 mm. Length of connecting rod is 240 mm. The angle between crank and connecting rod is 90 degree. The angular speed of the crank is 10 radian per second in counterclockwise direction. So the crank is rotating with 10 radian per second in counterclockwise direction. You have to determine what is the sliding velocity of the slider. So we have to determine the sliding velocity of the slider. This is a numerical answer type question, so you have to put the values. So what is the sliding velocity of the slider? Let us consider the sliding velocity of the slider is Vb, and that is also the velocity of point B. So point B, this is the center of the revolute pair that lies on the slider, and slider has a pure translation, so all points on the slider will have same velocity. So you have to find out what is Vb. So let us first apply relative velocity method. So we are going to apply relative velocity method, and I am drawing once again here the configuration I am drawing here. This is point A and this is point B, this is O2. This is O2. This is 60 millimeter, O2A is 60 millimeter. So VA, from velocity, relative velocity method, we know VBA is equal to, VB is equal to VA plus VBA. VB is velocity at point B, VA is velocity at point A, and VBA is relative velocity of point B with respect to point A. So VA, we can determine VA. What is VA? VA is omega 2 into O2A. That is omega 2 is 10 radian per second, it is given, and O2A is 60 millimeter. So 60 millimeter means 0.06 meter. So that is 0.6 meter per second. So VA we have determined, and VA is perpendicular with, which is perpendicular with O2A. VA is perpendicular with O2A. VA is perpendicular to O2A. So VA is along this direction, and it is given at this instant this angle is also 90 degree. So VA is nothing but along AB, that is the connecting rod. So let us draw VA here. We are drawing the velocity diagram, say O small a, and this is VA. What is VB? Point B is restricted to move along the axis of the slider. So VB, direction of VB is known, that is always horizontal direction, that is the axis of the slider. So this will be along the axis of the slider. And now what is VBA? So VBA is perpendicular to AB. VBA is perpendicular to AB. VBA is always perpendicular to AB. So from point A, as VA is along AB and perpendicular to AB is also perpendicular with this line also. So we will draw a line which is perpendicular to VA, and that intersects the horizontal line at point B. So this is VB and this vector is VBA. So VA, this is VA plus VAB, VBA, VA plus VBA is equal with VB. So this is my velocity triangle. Now what is this angle? If this angle is theta, then this angle will also be theta, because this is the direction of VB, this is the direction of VA, and perpendicular to this direction is VBA. So this is also theta. Now what is the value of theta? That you can determine easily from this configuration. Let us, VA I have erased 0.6 meter per second. We have determined. Now this angle is theta. So apply Lami's theorem here. 60 by sine of theta, or you can determine tan of theta. Tan of theta is 60 by 240. So tan of theta is 60 by 240. (14.03 degree). So theta becomes 14.03 degree. And now what is relation between VBA and VA? So from this velocity triangle, VB is equal with VA cos of theta. So VB is equal 0.6 cos of 14.03 degree. Let us calculate. .619 . So the sliding velocity of the slider is 0.619 meter per second. So we have determined by relative velocity method. You can also determine it by using the basic principle. What is that? You can easily determine by the basic principle, that is A and B are on same rigid body connecting rod. So velocity component of A along AB, say this is link AB. VB is along horizontal direction, that is theta, and VA is along AB. Now what is the basic principle? That is component of VA along AB is equal with component of VB along AB. So what is component of VA along AB? That is cos of 0 degree is equal with VB cos of theta. So VB cos 0 is 1, VA by cos of theta is 14.03 degree. Cos 0 is 1, and that is VA is, we have determined, 0.6 by cos 14.03, and we get same answer, 0.619 meter per second. So by implementing the basic principle, you can also find it. So we have solved this problem by two methods. Now let us solve another gate problem which is similar of this, but that is at a special condition that I have already discussed to you in the velocity analysis class. Now similar type of problem, but the configuration is little bit different. What is the this is from GATE 17 set 2. So this is from set 2 GATE 2017. GATE 2017 set 2, similar kind of problem on slider crank mechanism. So this is from GATE 2017 set 2. Yes. So this is a problem on slider crank mechanism. It has been asked that what is the sliding velocity? You have to determine the sliding velocity, but configuration is different. Here the crank makes 90 degree with the fixed length or the axis of the slider. Crank O2A is 90 degree with axis of the slider. Length of the crank is 100 mm, length of connecting rod is 160 mm, and crank is rotating with 10 radian per second in counterclockwise direction. So what is the sliding velocity? So you can apply same principle of relative velocity method. I am drawing here separately the connecting rod separately here. So this is point B. Let us draw the whole configuration for your understanding. So this is A. So by relative velocity method we can write VB is equal with VA plus VBA. So VA is along this direction, that is perpendicular with O2A. So VA is perpendicular to O2A. So if crank is 90 degree with the axis of the slider, then VA will be along axis of the slider and VB is also along axis of the slider. So here if VA and VB are in same direction, then this condition, this vector equation will be satisfied only when VA is equal with VB and VBA is equal to 0. So the velocity diagram becomes a line. So here velocity diagram becomes a line as VBA is 0. So what is VA? VA is omega 2 into O2A, that is 10, O2A is 100, that is 0.1 meter. So 1 meter per second, and so VB is also 1 meter per second. So this is the answer. So we have determined the answer, very simple one. Now I have already discussed in velocity analysis class that if VBA is 0, then the angular speed of the connecting rod, that is omega 3, becomes 0. That is, at this instant the connecting rod is in pure translation. So this we have solved through relative velocity method. Now if we apply the basic principle, that is, if we apply our basic concept, that is, say this angle is theta, then the angle between AB and VAB is also theta. So if we apply the basic concept, that is velocity component of VA along AB is equal with component of VB along AB, that is VA cos of theta is VB cos of theta. So VA is equal with VB. So we got the same relation, and that is here for this case 1 meter per second. So this is my answer. Hope you have understood. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you best of luck in your GATE examination.